when the tender's loaded and this engine together is 270 tons.
The Ohio Railway Museum is a non-profit organization dedicated to the restoration, maintenance, and operation of historic railroad equipment since 1948. Now, back in 1945, a group of railfans came together to form a railfan group near the arcade of the Columbus Union Terminal. There was a place where there was a model train club that used to meet. They would basically talk about trains, travel different railroads, and so forth. Everything was always railroad related. Well, they were informed about this old interurban car that was sitting done by the Akron National Railroad Historical Society chapter. The car was about to be scrapped, but the organization couldn't afford to keep it. So for $1, these guys got the car.
105 years old.
Wow.
Ran from 1922 to 1972, and most of them had retired by then. Not many of them left because they were owned by the government. And they started running in 1864, but during the World Wars they needed steel. So many of them were old and decommissioned, they just left the family. They would pick up the mail, they would sort it on the tables, they would take it by subsidy and everything, repackage it, stamp it, weigh it, postmark it, send it out. They were quick. You could put mail in Columbus in the morning and for Dayton and have it delivered in Dayton by afternoon. Because they were working the entire time. 70 miles an hour, you had 8 to 16 guys, no air conditioning, mechanical windows.
Joining us next Sunday for our train rides from 4 p.m. The Ohio Railway Museum is a non-profit organization. We're always looking for new volunteers. I myself am a seasoned rail veteran, and there's no experience needed if you want to join our team. You can fill out a volunteer application at www.ohiorailwaymuseum.org. And you can also fill out a physical copy in our depot. Just talk to our volunteer coordinator, Ed, and you can fill one out inside our depot. I'd like to thank everybody for coming out to ride today. Please join us next Sunday, 12 to 4 p.m. On behalf of volunteers, including myself, I'd like to thank everybody for riding today. And the next time you travel or want to see some sights, please consider taking the train. It's worth the trip.